NPP kalathong ya uba Prestone Tensong kum u President Thamai jong ka Meghalaya hadin bala ino u President Barim u Dr. WR Kharlukhi ya uba Prestone la Pynskhem u President rangba ka NPP u Conrad ke sangma menta kalai phoi tarik risau arja ar phaulai ha office ka party hashlong habakran shakilat phathai khobor uba Prestone u laong baka thong jong u kalong ban pen khlanya ka party nadu ka jala shadu ka district bat block ban pentikna ban penjob ya u kertong ke NPP ha ke election MP kaban sawan bat kumjuru ha ke MDC.
Sooner or later, NPP will control the entire northeastern states because the face of democracy as per the constitution of the party and also the vision and the mission of our great late leader, Sri P.A. Sangma. He wanted to create a party which is the theme of the party, oneness of northeastern states. So thank you so much. God bless all of us here. Your suggestions, your opinions to us, we are here and the door is always open. As we always say, CN for myself, you don't have to go to the street, come to the secretariat. You don't have to stand outside the gate. Please be inside the gate because we are so accommodating and we continue to do that. Not only in the secretariat, but even in the party organization. Our doors are always open to any issues. Therefore, we will continue serving the state to the maximum. So with this few words, so he has already requested so many times to the Honorable National President that he wanted to relieve from the post of President. So we were trying to find out ways and means and who will be the next president of Meghalaya State Unit. But ultimately, our Honorable Chief Minister and also National President, he ultimately convinced me, said that you have to take over. So thank you so much, sir.
Join the other leaders who have expressed their joy and happiness on the appointment of Prestone Tensong. I would only like to add that I have worked with him in many situations and from very difficult positions, and a large number of challenges we have faced together, and we have grown together as friends, understanding each other's concerns, problems, and working as a team. And so I'm very happy today that he has accepted this responsibility, because I know his capacity and I know the kind of work that he's capable of doing, and I'm sure that that he will be taking from where Dr. Kharlukhi has now left. He will take forward the mission of the party, and I'm sure that with the kind of grassroots work that he has done for the last many years, whether organizationally or from governance point of view, all of this will come into great work and help to be able to really organize the party, as he has mentioned, and I have full faith that he will be able to do justice. And I only seek the support, as he had mentioned, of all the party leaders. You all know that the demand or the request for Prestone to take over as president has come from all of you. So it is not that I have selected, it is a democratic process. It's just that the election did not take place, but all the votes actually came and everybody sent the information and the request. So it was literally a democratic process, all the way from Garo Hills to Jente Hills to West Khasi Hills to East Khasi Hills, Rimhoy. In all areas, there was a consensus.
As I've already mentioned in the meeting briefly, my priority now as the president I'll reconstitute the committee of the state level unit, and thereafter we will also go down to the district level and up to the block level, because we have to prepare ourselves for the coming election, which is to be held early next year. And not only for the election, but we really wanted to work hard, reaching out ourselves to each and every household in the entire state of Meghalaya. So this is, in fact, this is the priority where I would like to see that it has happened.